Back to another Peter Lennox Automotive Car of the Week, and today we've got something very quick for you. What you're looking at is a beautiful 2012 C63 Coupe AMG Performance Package. This is an absolute beast of a car, very desirable, very popular, and quite rare in good condition, such as this one. This beautiful car's got under 85,000 on the clock, so low mileage for 2012. It's got a 6.2 litre 8-cylinder engine that pumps out 358 kilowatts and 600 newton meters of torque. Now that tells you this car is serious performance. You're either looking for one of these so you know what these cars are about, or if you've never seen one of these or don't know much about them, we can tell you these are one of the fastest, most desirable Mercedes around. Very, very popular because they look good, they're practical, you can drive them day to day, and at the same time they've got supercar performance. This one does about 4.3 seconds 0 to 100, so very, very respectable for a 2012 car. Beautiful sounding naturally aspirated engine, so there's no turbo. It's a 8-cylinder naturally aspirated engine, so very, very desirable. And these will only go up in price because they don't make them anymore. Everything else is 6-cylinder, turbo, twin turbo, and this car sounds amazing. Now let's have a look at what this car actually has. So it's obviously an AMG, so it's got all the AMG goodies, but it's got beautiful 19-inch AMG multi-spoke black wheels, as you can see there. It's got the red calipers, all factory, not aftermarket, and the drilled and cross-drilled rotors. Very, very nice, and that's all factory. It's part of the performance package. This is a 6.2 litre, but they call it a 6.3. As you can see there, and that tells you this car means serious performance. So if you're looking for one of these, look no further. This has got to be one of the better examples on the market at the moment. Very good condition throughout, and look at that bonnet, that bulging bonnet. Wow, it's amazing. We'll have a look at the engine in just a bit, but let's have a look at this. It's got pano sunroof, and what's in here? Beautiful Designo red two-tone leather. Absolutely stunning. How beautiful is this car? Alcantara steering wheel, special edition again. Very, very nice. That modern updated interior on the C204. Very, very beautiful coupe, as you can see. Let's take a look at it from the side, and those beautiful, beautiful 19-inch wheels, red calipers on the back. Now remember, this is all factory. Very, very nice. And as we come to the back, you get this beautiful carbon lip, all factory again, so it hasn't been modified, hasn't been put on aftermarket. This is all factory and all very expensive when the car was new. C63. What a beautiful, classy looking coupe. Any angle you look at it, it looks simply stunning. Now, it's got a quad exhaust, 2 pipes on each side, and as you probably listened at the start of the video, it sounds amazing. When it starts up, does a really aggressive startup. That's all factory, that's not us doing that, and it really means business. It has a few different settings for performance, and it does change the sound and the characteristics of the exhaust with that beautiful 8-cylinder engine really pumping out music to your ears, a symphony of sound. Again, I love the interior, white, black and red leather. This is the Designo package. So very nice AMG stitching. What a beautiful car. Again, in very good condition throughout. This one comes in diamond metallic with black leather, as you can see, and the aluminium dash trimming. Alright, so you've had a good look around the car. Now let's jump inside on the driver's side and see what it's like. Okay, so let's jump inside this beautiful C63 performance package and see what it's like. As soon as you open the door, look at those beautiful two-tone leather red seats. Absolutely striking. Beautiful sports AMG steering wheel, like an Alcantara finish through here, flat spoke. Let's have a look at the condition. Now this car's got under 85,000 kilometers, so very reasonable mileage for 2012. And as you can see, the condition is very nice. The red leather continues on through here. This one does have the Harman Kardon sound system, which you can see through here. Very premium. Keyless go right there. So very nice. Let's jump inside and see what it's like. There we go. Okay, AMG lights up. As you can see, 83,570 at time of filming. So very reasonable mileage. 6.3 V8 tells you this car means business. Pedal shift through here. You wouldn't expect any less on a C63. Beautiful updated command system. You got your command system there. Dual zone climate control. This switch here lets you control comfort, sport plus, manual mode, and I believe you can even put it into like a race sport mode. Very nice. That has to be specially activated. And if we have a look in the back, it's equally as nice as it is in the front. Beautiful rear seats, 4-seater, center console for comfort of the rear passengers, and again, as you can see, the red leather continues throughout. Beautiful car. Very nice place to be. Alright, let's start this one up. Let's listen to what it sounds like. Okay, so foot on the brake, and there you go. Put the radio down, and as you can hear that characteristic C63 sound that it's tuned to do. You don't have to do anything, you just start the car and it does that beautiful sound. So memory seats, steering and mirror, so very nice. Again, that sports flat spoke steering wheel continues through here. The command system, which is the late model 204, you got navigation, very easily accessible, audio, radio, telephone, discs, USB storage, music register, memory card, Bluetooth audio streaming. So it's got everything you need, video, and a beautiful setting system through here, as you can see, and does have a rear view camera, so I'll show you that. Put it into reverse. There you go. Quite a clear, nice rear view camera. So very nice features. And let's have a look at the panoramic sunroof. There we are, very nice, and you can see the beautiful Peter Lennox logo right there through the pano sunroof. Wow, very nice. And last but not least, you do get heated front seats, so 3 levels of heating, and these work really well, especially on cold winter days like you have in Melbourne at the moment. So as you can see, very beautiful car, well optioned with just the right options for a performance coupe. This is the kind of car that you would want to take on a twisty road, down the Great Ocean Road, Lake Mountain, and it will give you hours and hours, days and weeks of beautiful performance. It will put a smile on your dial for sure, because this car is all about performance. Alright, let's step outside and have a look at the engine on this beautiful C63, because the engines are part of the AMG package. They're actually the heart of the AMG. Let's have a quick look. And look at this signature engine. So this is one of those AMGs that does have a signature. The AMG 1 engine philosophy, where one engineer, engine builder builds the engine from start to finish, as you can see, handcrafted by Giuseppe, looks like it. Mercedes AMG, Germany. What a beautiful engine. Let's have a look at it. And as you can see, very clean, no dust, no dirt, It has been checked by our mechanics in our state-of-the-art Mercedes-Benz service and repair center, just next door to the dealership here. So as you can see, very beautiful looking engine. All right, let's close this one up. Have a look at it one more time. There we go. All right, so this beautiful C63 2012 AMG Performance Package in beautiful diamond metallic white with those 19-inch wheels, red calipers. Absolutely amazing performance. I mean, what more could you want? This is the ultimate cruiser, the ultimate daily, the ultimate everything. Beautiful car. You know what this is. You know you want it. Come and see it at Peter Lennox Automotive here in Thomastown. We can sell this car Australia-wide, no issue. Give us a call before it's gone forever. Thank you.